Ever wonder what's really going on when you crack your knuckles? Is it bad for you? When you stretch your fingers, you create space in the joint. That space causes a drop in pressure. So fast, a gas bubble forms and bursts. That popping sound, it's the bubble collapsing, not bones grinding. Good news, studies show it doesn't cause arthritis, but constant cracking might irritate your joints. It may even feel good because it stimulates nerves and releases the pressure that's accumulated in your joints. You can't re-crack immediately because the bubble takes 15-30 minutes to reform. So pop away, just don't overdo it. Subscribe to our channel to be wise and know your daily whys.